So we're joining this problem, number 4, from Engage New York, lesson number 14. We're joining it somewhat already in progress, but that's okay. That's actually kind of good. We have this E here and a line of reflection, and our job is to reflect the E over the line of reflection. So how do we do this? Well, I actually have done this for 2 points already. We've done it for this point here, maps there, and then this corner point on the E. So let's go ahead and say, let's take a look at how we do that. Notice that there aren't a lot of marks on the paper so far, and that's because I've been erasing them with my handy dandy eraser. So let's take a look here, going down to this this point on the E, and let's see, we probably need a little bit more room on the compass. Okay, make it a little bit larger. Make it a little bit larger. And with the compass, we need to cross the line of reflection a couple times. And then we're going to take that same length, go where the line of reflection and the new mark crosses. We're going to make a mark and then put this over here, make another mark. So that barely crosses, but here you go. We got this mark, and we're going to go ahead and erase this, and doing that so that we don't have so much noise when it comes to so much written. Okay, so we now have 3 points. Let's take a look now at this point down here. So putting the lower E point down, and one spot, and another spot. Let's see if we can see that on the camera. And I'm going to go ahead and just make this official by extending our line of reflection down so that we can use that to have a excuse me, let's try that again. Make sure that it's still the same length it ought to be. It looks like it. So we got a line here, and then another line here. So got dot there. I'm going to go ahead and again and erase these lines. We're hopefully starting to see the E come together. We have 2 more points to look at, and I think it's probably a good idea to make this compass a little bit smaller. And make it a little bit smaller, and again cross the line of reflection and cross the line of reflection here. Okay, now okay, then let's see, is this gonna work? Another cross, and here we go. It's getting a little bit awkward angle, but we do find the spot where these cross. Going to erase everything but our dot, and then we need one more, which is that last little tip on the E. Make sure that we have enough room on our compass, and then use that to cross the line of reflection, make another spot there, another spot here. Okay, and it looks like we're doing pretty well. We've got this spot here, and just for good measure, let's erase all of those superfluous lines and make some more lines, which are going to be connection of all these points. We needed this point in the middle here so that we could connect that with the outward part of the E, and here we have now the E that has been properly reflected over the line of reflection.